Good morning, guys. We are waking up in LA. I'm out here for project managing this really cool mixed reality thing that I've been working on. And in the meantime, as a bonus, right, I had to leave Massachusetts, Rhode Island area to come over here. I was really bummed. Was sure I was going to go to the World Series. It turns out LA won. So hopefully one of these 3 days I'm going to actually get to see one of the games. So that is super exciting. But the other thing that I love about coming out here to LA is visiting a gigantic vintage warehouse. Now you might be saying, what is a gigantic vintage warehouse? So is it like the Bins? Is it like a Savers? And really what it is, it's a huge warehouse that has hundreds or dozens of the same thing, right? So if I'm an outfitters and I want to do an urban renewal program, I'll go to one of these warehouses that are sitting on sorted dead stock or sorted, cleaned and washed product, select them all out and make it into a project. So we're gonna head over there, show you what it's like. On feet today, we have the Comme des Garçons Chuck Taylor collab. This is a khaki on the website. To me, it's a little bit more of an olive or trace cargo colorway if you're a big fan of Adidas. I've kind of been hooked on Chucks. I think they're great, although I would definitely recommend putting in an orthopedic insole, and this as a size 11 fits like a size 12. I'm really size 11 and a half, but for whatever reason, these only come in full sizes. So just something to keep in mind, and if you're in between sizes like me, an orthopedic insole will not only make it more comfortable, it'll make it fit more like a true to size 11 and a half. All right, guys, so if you're thinking that the outfit change it did, the day that I recorded the intro, I didn't actually end up here. But we are at one of the vintage warehouses. They process stuff by the bale and they sort it according to what it is. So I'm gonna go through everything, check it out, show you guys a little bit about it. And it's super cool, not only from an archival perspective, but just to see everything all in the same place. So for military jackets, organized by country camo, a lot of different options. And fun fact, Visvim used a lot of these prints, these duck camo prints, these canvases, for a lot of their stuff. Japanese buyers come through here all the time to grab stuff. Got the jackets with the real fur. These are dope. Heavy duty. Just a sea of coveralls. Got some Tommy. I love these actually. But just a ton of stuff. I'm gonna go into some of the shirts back here to pull some things, but just to give you an idea of how much stuff is in here. So here we are with all the Harley shirts I'm about to go through. If you can believe that that's all unsorted Harley shirts. So about to go through all that, man. All right, so we're back from the vintage warehouse. I got a couple pieces that are being thrown into the wash right now, but I wanted to share with you what I picked up. So on the Harley side of things, this really dope 3M t-shirt. Also grabbed an older Harley Davidson print with a big eagle on the front. Another 1997 piece that I really love, the back graphic. I like how it's drawn as like a caricature, and this one is this feels almost unworn. That's why it's not washing at 1998. And then a Stratman Harley Davidson with like the speckle print. There's no date on it, which is good. That means it's still mid-90s. Very simple with the big branding on the front. Now in the bathroom, I got some pieces that we just washed that are getting cleaned. Nice little small, medium, and large Celtics jacket. All satin. This is back when Starter was making their stuff in New Haven, Connecticut, not close to where I grew up, or not far from where I grew up. Also got a really dope Lakers and another Lakers piece. Super dope, and these cleaned up really well. So those are just drying right now. On the denim side of things, I picked up a lot of made in the USA pieces, a couple different corduroys, as well as like a paint splatter, but these paint splatters aren't like someone actually painted them to get them paint splattered. This really cool purple color I hadn't seen before, another corduroy. Then a bunch of these patches that I've been selling on eBay from before. I grabbed Jacob Keller this Dickies piece that he's gonna be using for some reference pieces. And then my favorite piece, this Levi's denim jacket. Tons and tons of great patches. This person would have been like part of their local Harley owners group here. That's the whole hog thing. Really cool pins on it. And on the back, this patch is just unreal. Absolutely love that. But you can see staff, so he's probably photographing stuff there.
Little mushroom there. Got a badge for going through a Safe Rider certification thing. Super, super dope.
So guys, this is gonna do it for the video. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded, but I wanna get some content to show you that super cool warehouse. I think I've talked about it in past videos, but I just was not in a place that I could have filmed that day. Today was a little bit more relaxed. We get a lot of stuff done. So if you guys enjoyed this and wanna see more kind of this content, just let me know. And I will be putting some of the information down below in the description where you can purchase these. They'll be up on the site probably in the next week or so. So if there's a particular piece too that you saw, you're like, yo, I want to get it before the site happens, you can contact using the site form, get an invoice out to you, no problem. So hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, guys.